So there are a lot of different ways that we can factor a trinomial. I'm going to show you my method. If you have a different method that you like to use, I am perfectly fine with you using that. What I typically like to do is I'm always looking at my A, B, and C values here. I don't have an A value, right? Well, I do, but it's 1. There is no number in front of n squared. So I'm going to be focused on this 9, which is my B, and this 20, which is my C. Remember, my rule is to find two numbers that add up to B and multiply to C. I like to keep myself organized by creating this X figure. I'm going to place 9 at the top, that's my B value, and 20 at the bottom. Now I'm thinking to myself, what two numbers add up to 9 multiply to 20? If I think through, I get 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 times 4 is 20. Those are my two factors. My very last step is to write it in this factored form. I set myself up by creating two binomials. I need my two x's, and then I'll just do plus 5 for my first factor and plus 4 for my second factor. Let's do one more, and then I want you to pause this video to do these two. So I have a squared plus 10a plus 24. Again, my coefficient here is 1, so I can use this method where I'm looking for two numbers that add up to get 10 and multiply to get 24. If I think through this, two numbers that add up to 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, and 6 times 4 is 24. I'm going to write this in my factored form, so I have x plus 6 times x plus 4. You can check your work by double distributing again, but I want you to go ahead and pause this video and try 2 and 4.